right now, what you just saying is the extreme test of Chang'an Deepal G318. The tank hit its rear end side at a speed of 30 km per hour. So, guess what will happen? In the video, the tank hit the side of the G318 and pushed it for several meters. For the convenience of the rescue, the car window also opened automatically and the airbag popped out. The door can still be open and vehicle can still run normally. After being hit at the rear, only the tailgate is dented. Next comes the violent test of the battery pack. After many violent tests, the battery pack of G318 still remains stable. This is Chang'an Deepal G318. Not only the appearance is fashionable, but the interior is also luxurious. Also has strong off-roading ability and safety guarantee. The car is more than 5 meters in length, has 430 horsepower, accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 6.3 seconds, and has a comprehensive cruising range of more than 1,000 kilometers. It is equipped with a number of off-roading configurations such as air suspension, CDC variable damping system, welding sensor, and turning function. If you want to import this car to your country, please contact me. Youhu Auto, your reliable partners.